Hi kids, this is Reading Bear. Reading Bear is a project of Watch No Learn. We want to teach you how to read for free.
We are starting the website with these presentations, which are each around 15 minutes long. About 35 more are planned. Let's look at one. There are 7 different kinds of presentation. The different kinds are different ways into the same words. You should start with sound it out slowly. Once you can say the words easily, switch to sound it out quickly, and later let me sound it out. Use the flashcards and the sentences for quick practice. When you're done learning the words from a presentation, try a quiz. After you've learned 5 presentations, try the review, which will be different each time you open it. Let's look back at a presentation and its features. In the longest kind of presentation, sound it out slowly, we sound words out at 2 speeds, so you get very used to the sounds of the words.
S, a, ng. S, a, ng.
Then we put the letters together and say it slowly.
Song.
Next, we ask you to say the word.
What does this say?
Then we read the word at regular speed and illustrate it with a picture.
Song. Song.
Finally, we show the word in a sentence, a video, and the word by itself one last time.
A song has words called lyrics. A song has words called lyrics. Song.
Let's stop and look at the sentence. You can click on any word and we sound it out and say it.
As. Has.
Next, let's talk about getting around Reading Bear. You can get around a presentation with these buttons. The Auto button is on. This makes the presentation play like a video. But if you turn it off, then you can arrow back and forth. For this, you can use the player's buttons, but you might want to use your keyboard's left and right arrow keys. The HD button is on by default, but if it's taking too long to download a presentation, press the button and it will load faster. Now, up on top, you can control the presentation size. Next, let's look at settings. Reach settings using the gear button down here. If Reading Bear is used with smaller children, you might want to check this box. Always show video of words spoken. Here's what you'll see.
N. Pen.
Checking Enable Interludes will play a little 15-second art and music video, just a little break to help keep things fun. Turn these on if you like them. That's most of the features. It's a good idea to make a free account. You don't have to, but we recommend it. By the way, if your account confirmation doesn't arrive, check your spam folder. Once you've logged in, you'll get a handy Choose for Me button based on what you've done so far, and you can see what percentage of the presentations you've mastered and how many you've viewed. Check marks, stars, and numbers let you track how many times you've viewed a presentation or parts of a presentation, and also whether you've mastered the words. On your account page, there are other numbers and quiz results. One last thing. Before you start using Reading Bear, you should learn the sounds of the letters, especially the consonants. To help you with this, we have put together some videos in a Watch No Learn classroom. You can get to it by going to our Getting Started page and click How to Get the Most from Reading Bear. Here's the link. You'll find a bunch of good videos here. Well, that's it. We hope you like the site.
Reading Bear welcomes you to the site and wishes you happy reading.